The presentation this morning was about decay control and storages, and it really involves three aspects: pre-harvest disease control with fungicides applied in the field, sanitation with concerns about penicillium spores residing in storage rooms and on storage bins, and then finally the decision on whether or not to use post-harvest fungicides to further control botrytis and penicillium in storage. As fruit are moved into storage without any drench treatment, that means they're moved in dry, there's less risk of decay by penicillium, but there's actually increased risk of decay from botrytis because many of the botrytis infections are probably initiated during late bloom on petals. Those infections move into the sepals and are quiescent until fruit are in storage. Our traditional fungicide treatments have done a good job of suppressing these, and therefore we really don't know how common they are, but in some cases, in wet years, they may cause up to 4% decays in untreated fruit. Therefore, to reduce the risks from botrytis infections, growers may be a bit reluctant to put fruit into storage with no treatment. Fungicide options for post-harvest treatment include thiabendazole, fludeoxonil or Scholar, or Penvotec, for which the trade name is pyrimethamine. Thiabendazole or Myrtec 340 is an older product. There's a lot of resistance in penicillium, but it generally still works well for botrytis in most situations. The other products are effective against both penicillium and botrytis. Ultimately, the options a grower chooses are dependent on his own circumstances, history of decay problems that the storage operator may have had, and cost factors.